It's almost 11 a.m. on a Saturday morning. Yours truly and HPDE of Daily Driving are on our way to the Pocono Raceway again. This time we are going to shoot a time attack track day by EMRA Racing. This is my first time ever going to EMRA's track day event, and honestly I had no idea what to expect. I packed my bag, my camera bag, and decided just to see what happens. But before coming out here, I actually asked EMRA through one of those DMs if I could shoot the event, and they totally obliged. They are super cool, super easygoing, and they were all about letting me capture the experience. If you've never heard of EMRA, it stands for Eastern Motor Racing Association. They run grassroots racing events and time trials for the past 5 decades now. And the atmosphere here is super relaxed. No ego, no pressure. Just drivers who really love pushing their cars on track. Their primary aim is to offer enthusiasts opportunities in time attack, racing, and driver education, all while optimizing track time and minimizing costs. And honestly, the moment I got in, I was so excited, I went straight to the trackside and started shooting on the spot. No warm-up, no walk-around, just instant track action. So before we get deeper into the racing footage, if you like these kinds of videos, click that like and subscribe button and the notification bell. These small gestures will make us motivated to continue make more of these kinds of car enthusiast video content. Now let's go into the action.